Welcome to the AB way featuring Larry doing her eye makeup tutorial. I'll be going through the process of doing my eyeliner, my eyeshadow and how I conceal my panda eyes. So these products are super affordable and you can get them from any drugstore. One product that I do recommend is the Maybelline New York gel eyeliner, which you can see there, because it just defines the eyeliner and it just makes the wing really perfect in my opinion. I've been using it for years and I will still stick to it. So let's get started. So firstly, I put on the Pro Base MUA concealer just on my eyelids, so it acts as a base for the eyeshadow that I will be using. I'm just gonna pop it on. So I'm just putting a bit of concealer on my eyelids, just like so, and then I just dab it with a little sponge. So I'm just dabbing it in so that it's all clear and there is a perfect canvas for the eyeshadow to work on. So we're going to go into the eyeshadow stage, and I use the Revolution Pretty Incredible palette and a mix with this. Although I know it is a blush palette, my cheeks go red and I don't really use it for a blusher, so I use this for my eyeshadow. So this is the brush I'll be using. It's Revolution Makeup by London. It's the only one that I use just to apply it. Firstly, I'll be putting the First Class one on as a base, just like so. I'm no expert, I just do this as my everyday routine, just because I like the way it looks on me. And then next I will be putting on, with the same brush, the Breathtaking one. Just it off. And it's fine that it's a bit messy because I am going to clear it out with a makeup wipe after. I'm going to use the lighter colour on the blush palette. And then what I really like, which I'm going to use a thinner, more stiff brush, is to get the more darker, brighter pink, which I'll just put on the top of my eyelid, the little crease, because where I have the eyeliner, it will really pop it out and bring it. As you can see, the difference in the eyes. So I'm going to put on a bit of a shimmer on my eyes. So I'm going to put the Fantastic Glitter and the shiny colour on the blush palette. And in order to do that, I'm just going to put a bit of concealer on the centre of my eyelids, just so that the glittery shadow shows a bit more vibrantly. Just like that. And now I'm just going to use this brush, put this one on first, which is the Fantastic one from the Revolution palette, and I just dab it on, and you can see the difference in the eyelids. So if I put on the shimmer without the concealer, not only would it run out during the day, but would it not be as vibrant as it is now, again in my opinion. And then finally I use this 251 Eye Increase contour brush just to blend it all together. It's probably not used for that, but again, I just like to go with the flow. And that is the eyeshadow done. So as I have cleared the excess eyeshadow that's come here, you can see that it's coming together, it's all good. So now I'm going to do my eyeliner, and I'm going to use the Maybelline brush and the Maybelline eyeliner product do it and it will be very, very, very defined and very, very dark. So that's what I'm going to be doing now. Use the Revolution Super Conceal and the Pro Base NUA Concealer. I mix it up for the bottom of my eyes and this defines the eyeliner that I have. And I'm just going to blend the two together. And you kind of have to conceal properly under the eyeliner, under the wing, just so that it is out there and it's very, very dark. So I'm going to put the Fantastic eyeshadow just under the eye instead of eyeliner. And then now I'm going to use the Collection waterproof eyeliner just for the inner lines of my eyes, and it really defines and brings out the colour and brings out the eye and really defines that cat look. And the reason why I use a different waterproof eyeliner for this particular part is just because it's much easier to handle and it stays throughout the day. 3 different types of mascara. Firstly, I use this Natural Collection mascara for the length, and then I use this Collection volumizing waterproof mascara. So what I firstly do is I put on this one, just because this one is basically just the brush that I use, and what I firstly do is I actually brush out my lashes and kind of twist and pull it a bit, just like so, just to make sure that the eyelashes are separate and they are ready to be covered with mascara. And then what I use is the fast stroke one, the blue one, just to firstly lengthen it a bit, just like so. And as you can see, you can definitely see the difference. I'll be using the collection volumizing one just to thicken the eyelashes and to make it look more fuller and volumized. This is the final one I will be using, and the lashes just look more vibrant, more vivid, more out there, and it just brings the whole cat eye look together. And what I do also do is just dab a bit on the bottom just to bring that out too. There we go. And then finally, the last thing what I do is I put a bit of the NYX highlighter just to illuminate, as they say. And I just put some right under here, just to bring it all together. A bit on the forehead, and a little drop on the nose. And then to set it all, I use the Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray, and I just let it dry. Final look. As you can see, I've got the cat eyeliner done, the makeup's all come together, done my lips, done my hair, and this is the final look. So if you guys want to try it out, by all means, go for it. It's very, very, very affordable, and it's good for a night out. It's good for when you want to go to an office, party, whatever. Good luck, guys.